Alpine Pat here, Thursday, February 8th. For those of you that love spring-like conditions, this has been a banner year for you. Soft snow, mild temps, 1 or 2 layers is sufficient. The perfect storm for you spring-like condition lovers. But I tell you, that's going to come to an end. It's February 8th. Snow-making operations resume early next week to extend the season. And knowing our snowmaking crew, they will do just that. I have a lot of people asking me, when's the last day at Alpine Valley for the winter season? Well, I can give you a pretty well-educated guess. You know, I know the weather patterns here in the valley. I had a 101 weather forecasting class in college, so let my credentials speak for itself. The last day of the season at Alpine Valley will be Sunday, March 17th. Yeah, 5 more weeks. Turn the river green. You know, we got 5 weeks to go yet. We got a lot of season to go yet. You know, it's you know, and if we are here Sunday, March 17th, I'll be on the patio. Join me for a beverage and reflect on the season. But I tell you why I'm saying that too. We got a lot of stuff planned here for the next 5 weeks. I'm going to rattle some of this stuff off. Winter Olympics this Sunday, the 11th. Form a team, have fun. Fat Tuesday, this coming up Tuesday the 13th. Enjoy some food and drink. What's that Polish thing called? A pashki? A puchki? Puchki, yeah. Enjoy a puchki. Valentine's Day, this Wednesday the 14th. Enjoy a romantic dinner with your sweetheart. I can't think of a better place to bring her. Superhero Day party, Saturday, February 24th. Now that is fun for the whole family. Come check it out. Finer details on all this stuff, check our website. Ride for Jake Day is Saturday, March 16th. Well, rest in peace, Jake Burton. We'll do it for you. But I'll tell you, live music every Friday and Saturday night up in the Valley View Lounge. And these are just some grunge bands. These are some good blues, jam bands, you know, rock and roll. Check it out. But winter is far from over here at Alpine Valley. Fastest way to fun? That would be Alpine Valley. 5 more weeks of the season. Bye-ya!